Need a dash of good news in your life right now? We've got some for you. Home buying is back. It's kind of in style again, and get this, it's better than ever. Home builders and remodelers are up to their hard hats in work. The housing market is continuing its path to recovery as more buyers resume their home search, says Mortgage Bankers Association. As your agent may have told you, housing inventory still somewhat predictably lags behind demand. But Academy has a sweet solution to fluff up your home buying options and help you create your dream home. An all-in-one renovation loan. But how can a renovation loan help? Here's how. You and your agent scour great locations and pinpoint a good home in a killer location. You know, a home that renovating or remodeling could transform into your dream home. Hang on, this just gets better somehow. You hire a builder and tell them what features you want to change and add, so you don't even get your hands dirty on the remodel. Here's where the Academy Renovation Loan enters the picture. You use it to buy the home, receive that shiny extra money, and use it to make the improvements. All in one loan with just one application, one closing, and one payment a month. You just swung landing your dream home without using your home equity, savings or retirement accounts, or credit cards. How is that for efficiency? Before you grab a Topo Chico to responsibly celebrate, the deal's not quite done yet. You have to do it first. So contact your Academy loan officer now to guide you toward this level of renovation loan awesome and create your dream home.